Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix not charging problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So friends, some of the tips you need to be here. So if your charging port is dusty, you have to clean it with the brush or anything. You can just clean it with by going outside and go to nearby, that will clean your smartphone. And if your charger is broken, sometimes leads is broken or your adapter is not working, you have to check it with charging with another device if it is still working or not. Then you have to charge it with your smartphone. Then if you are playing games while charging your smartphone, this will also heat up your adapter, and it will be no longer for the future for the better and best performance. So don't charge while playing games. Secondly, you can do is do a software update. This will also help to keep your phone up to date. So these are the steps you can keep in mind while charging your smartphone, so this will not damage your battery life also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.